Good morning, students, and we welcome you back for this school year 2021-2022. Now, as we begin another school year, we know that part of our school activities are those activities that are graded and there are some activities that are not. But in this particular moment, I'll be discussing to you the grading system of the Mother Goose Special Science High School. Now we know for the old students, they are already familiar with this, but for those incoming grade 7 students, I know that you want to be informed about how we are going to rate your performance at the end of each quarter. Okay, so for every quarter, we have different components of the grades which we will be computing per quarter. So these components are your written works, which includes the quizzes, the activities that will be given to you by your teachers. Then we have your performance task, which will be given to you when you will be having your asynchronous activities. And then we have the quarterly assessment, which will be given monthly. So you will be taking your exams using the system, our learning system, and we will be rating that one at the end of each quarter. So for languages, which includes Filipino and English, we have the social studies and values education. The different components are rated as follows. For the written work, that would be 30%. Performance task will be 50%. And quarterly assessment or the exams will be 20%. For science and math, written work is 40%. Performance task is 40%. And quarterly assessment is 20%. For PE, EPP, computer science, and research, the written work is 20%, performance task is 60%, and quarterly assessment is 20%. Now this one will be for the junior high school, grade 7 to grade 10. Now for the senior high school, the same way is applied to them, but then we have divided the subjects into the core subjects, which will be subjects that are the same for any strand. And then we have the specialized subject, those that are included per strand only. So there are also 3 components. We have the written work, the performance task, and the quarterly assessment. However, these components are given different percentages. For core subjects, written words will be 25%, performance task is 50%, and quarterly assessment is 25%. For the specialized subjects, the written work is 25%, performance task is 45%, and quarterly assessment is 30%. Now, how do we determine the honor students at the end of each school year? For the junior high school, we will still be following the 70-30, which means to say that for the academics, that will be given a weight of 70%, and for the extracurricular activities, that would be 30%. So we will be ranking the students based on their academic performance and multiply that one by 7. And for the extracurricular activities, we will be ranking the students also and multiply that one by 3, which is the weight of the extracurricular. Now, extracurricular activities here, since we do not have a face-to-face class and activities, we will be doing it virtually. So there will be some quiz bees also, poster making contests, and so on, which will all be done online. Okay? So you can also join different clubs so that you can also get your scores by the clubs that you have joined in. So each of the position that you have will also be given a corresponding point. Okay? For the senior high school, computation of the outstanding student will also follow the 70-30 scheme, which is 70% academics and 30% extracurricular. However, we will not be following the rankings since we will be giving high honors with high honors, highest honor, and with honors. Okay, we will be grading all the extracurricular and the academics, and then add them all together so that we can come up with the final standing of the student. So it is not the rank that we are going to multiply by the 30%, which is the extracurricular, but it is the corresponding points will be given a corresponding grade so that we can compute for the academic standing of the student. You have some questions, further questions regarding this one, your advisor will be explaining to you how these ones are computed. Thank you and good morning once again.